Okay, this is the reading of the 5.3 Unit 5 test, Part 2. Part 2 is a constructive response problem that is in a Word document. You may type your response on the document or print and write on the paper. Part 2 must be submitted in the Unit 5 test Part 2, Polynomial Arithmetic, folder through the assignment tool in the course. Email submissions will not be accepted. Part 2. Notice, you must complete this assignment on your own. You may not use any external resources such as websites or online calculators. You are allowed to use your computer regular calculator, but no special calculator. Um, Copying and pasting work or solutions from such sites will result in automatic 0 score on the entire assignment. Make sure you are showing your own work and answers. So the Unit 5 test, Part 2, let me just write that Part 2. It's a constructive response. Answer each question on the line provided. So your final answer must be on the line provided. You must show your work for all problems. Be sure to complete all the parts. You may use the following formulas to help you. And these are the formulas provided. Perimeter equals 2L plus 2W, or length and width, 2L lengths plus 2 widths. And the area equals length times width. A manufacturer makes regular blankets in several styles and sizes. The outline of a popular blanket is shown below. There are 5 parts, A through E, just to let you know. So it's a rectangle, and the one side here measures the quantity 2x minus 3 centimeters, and this one measures quantity 3x plus 7 centimeters. And you'll be using this for each part. So part A, write a polynomial expression in simplified form that represents the perimeter of the blanket. Must show your work. Do not forget to include measurement with your final answer. You can pause it to work on that part of the problem and then hit play to continue. Part B, okay, and so your work goes here, your final answer goes here. If x equals 4, evaluate the perimeter of the blanket. Must show your work. Again, do not forget to include the measurement with your final answer. So you'll use your expression here, type it again here, and then if x is 4, evaluate that expression. Work goes here, and your final answer will go here. Part C, write a polynomial expression in simplified form that represents the area of the blanket. Must show work. Do not forget to include the measurement with your final answer. Work will go here. Your final answer will go on this line. Again, pause to work on it, and then play to continue. Part D, if x equals 4, evaluate the area of the blanket. Again, you must show work, and do not forget to include the measurement with your final answer. So the work goes here, and your final answer goes on this line. And the final part, Part E, Jeremiah wants to order a custom blanket. The standard blanket measurements are length of 3x plus 7 centimeters and width of 2x minus 3 centimeters, referring to the original. How would the perimeter of the blanket change if Jeremiah orders a blanket where the length is 5 centimeters longer? So you're going to write a polynomial expression in simplified form that represents the new perimeter of the blanket. Again, you must show your work. Don't forget the unit of measurement in your final answer. It's not written here. I'm going to type it here. Okay, so put the work in the place provided and your final answer here. When you're finished, either save the document and upload it to the assignment folder, or you'll have to scan it in. If you printed it and wrote it, you scan it in, okay? And then go under Tools, Assignments, and you'll see under Unit 5, you'll see the folder 5.3, Unit 5, Test Part 2, Polynomial Arithmetic. That's the folder you want to upload it to. And that's it. That is Part 2 of the Unit 5 test. And if you have any questions, email me, asking class, or come to office hours, which are Thursday, tomorrow, the 17th, as well as next week, Tuesday and Thursday, before the semester ends at 3:30. You should see the class connect in your course.